Hello everyone. Today we will be doing a part 2 of our car parking game. So first of all, I have installed a new recording software. If you're interested, its name is OBS. They're not sponsoring this video. But anyways, let's get right into it. So first of all, we're going to create and paint a new sprite. We're going to go to bitmap, select this tool, and just go to whatever color you want. I like this one. I think this one's name is the fill tool. Yeah, so go to the fill tool and then draw. And then it automatically fills the whole screen. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to type car parking game. Okay. And then we're going to make it big. Game. And then we're going to add some, it's not going to be blank. It's going to have some cars on it. So first we're going to copy this. And if yours is small enough, just make it big. Since mine's already big, I'll just make it slanted and put it at the edge to make the feel like the car is coming in. Then if you have another car's costume, just import that. I do, but you don't really have to use one. And just do the same thing if you have it. Okay. So this would be the start of our start menu. You also need to leave enough space for the buttons. Anyways, I'm just going to delete this. And a cool trick is just click convert to bitmap and the edges of the cars are gone. And plus this whole thing is one thing. So it's easier in the costume editor. Okay, next thing we're going to do is also wanna, since these are this, just gonna group these. Okay, good. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the buttons for the start menu, two of them. So one is going to be our play button. Second one is going to be our instructions on how to move around using the car. So first we're going to click paint. And we're going to select a color. For me, I like this blue color, so I'll use this. Look. That's good. I was just checking if my mic was on. Oh yeah, also make sure you have some outline because that looks good. Boom. Then I'm going to write play. In the middle. Then I'm just going to group them and center it. Good. Now we're going to duplicate it and invert the colors. So the black would be white and then the blue would be red. Now we're going to duplicate. Oh yeah, never mind. Okay, so we're done with the costumes. Just going to do events when green flag clicked forever. We're going to do 2 if statements. And when we're on the first one, we'll do if touching mouse pointer, then switch costume to costume 2. If not, and the second one, if not touching mouse pointer, then switch costume to costume 1. So that now we have it just switches the costume if your mouse is on it. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to detect if we click it. So another if and touching mouse pointer and mouse down, we're going to hide. And we're going to broadcast. We'll broadcast start. Okay, so then let's code it up first. We still have another button to go. So instead of this, we're going to just duplicate this and hide. So when green flag clicked, hide. And when I receive start, will show. And then we'll do it for this. When green flag clicked, hide. Take this. And also take this. Show. And when I receive, just put it out on top and do start. And then here also we're going to do when I receive start will hide. Hide, boom, there. And also when my green flag clicked will show. So now we have this, but we're not stopping there. We're oh yeah, I forgot. For this one, we're going to do when green flag clicked show. So we're not going to stop there though. We're still going to do a instructions button. So let me just quickly do the art for it. Okay, so I might have added a bit more stuff than I should have, but here's the art for the instructions button. And I also added so that each one goes to front layer, each button. Then this one, it goes to front layer first, and then it goes backward 2 layers. So that's that. And also I'm going to just do do it for the broad. Okay, so I just have instructions here. And now we're done with this sprite, but it really just doesn't do much. Oh yeah, I'm going to just remove this. But it doesn't really do much. So now we're going to use its purpose. So we're going to paint a new sprite and then going to make a box type thing, and it will appear. It's gonna appear here. Yeah, it'll appear here. X 150, Y minus 100. So we're going to do the instructions. So yeah, also make it black. WASD or arrow keys. To move. So WASD or arrow keys to move. And then also some extra instructions over here. Like click to hide. Boom. So then for this one, when the green flag clicked, hide. And go to front layer. And then also that reminds me, we're going to do this. Go backward 3 layers. Go to the front layer, then when I receive instructions, show. And we'll do forever, if, and, never mind. I'm also going to do an effect, but for this one, we changed the costume. But for this one, we're going to change the brightness. So if touching mouse pointer, actually never mind. Instead, we could just copy it from the buttons. Just copy these 3. Oh wait, never mind. There, it's in here. Just switch these and just do these. Oh wait, no, it should be in here. Yeah, so we switch those and just do that. Also use the forever. Yeah. I think a brightness of 50. Actually, a brightness of 20. Actually, nah, 20 is not enough. 30 would do. Because then it would stand out from the background. Speaking of the background, I might want to change it. Yeah, nah, this is good enough. Then this would be 50. Yeah, you could decide your number. I think 50 would be good. Okay, so we have this. Now, let's do some final gameplay. I have to win one game to make sure this is actually playable. Oh yeah, I also forgot. You still have the instructions here. So I'm going to do when I receive start, we're going to hide. Okay, some final gameplay, so play. Let's see if I can make it. Good. And make sure to like and subscribe. Maybe in part 3 we will do a card chooser and different levels. Bye for now.